Here's Caden on tummy time. He's almost 4 weeks old. Hi, bud. What are you doing? You looking in the mirror again? Look at you with your strong head. Look at you. Look at you, strong little head. Holding it up. Big boy.
And I think the best way would be to not.
You can't keep this to yourself. If you know about this, you have to tell him.
It'll kill him. I mean, it'll just kill him.
Well, you could wait till I go to the dentist. Maybe I'll kill him.
Oh, wobble wobble.
Oh, ugly naked guy's using his new hammock. It's like a play
Hi.
factory.
Hi. What are you looking at?
So listen, okay? Just be on the lookout for anything that you could fall into or that can fall on you.
Look at you holding your head up so long.
Or just look out.
Hmm?
And I just want to tell you about that, Carlos.